Video we are going to discuss the levels which are most likely which are possible for the coming week, that is starting from Monday to Thursday, that is the weekly as well as monthly expiry. This is regarding Bank Nifty. So let us start with the weekly time frame, then move on to daily time frame, and in the end I will go to hourly time frame. So this is a weekly time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Here you can see that we are in a downtrend. The overall trend is on the downside. However, the lower low formation has been stopped for quite some time, and market is finding support near this level, 32,100 to 200 level. It is finding support, and if you look at this candle, this is a complete bearish candle. It is like a 3 black crows, so all three are negative. After the 3 candles you find a green candles. For now this candle is well within the body of this other candle, so you can see that there is some sort of positivity here. Bank Nifty has taken a support here, and what happened previously also, you can see there is a down move and suddenly you find a green candle, and there is a recovery. So market doesn't always move continuously in one direction. So it will, if it is coming down from a high, you will see high, then recover, pull back, and another low, pull back, and then another low. In the same fashion, here also you can see low, pull back, low, pull back, low, pull back, and low. So this low is lower than this low, so that overall negative trend is intact. But you may see a pullback probably towards this level. It is quite possible, considering that after 3 red candles, 1 green candle is formed. So you may expect to come here and then move downwards in the longer run. So let us also now move to daily time frame chart, where we will analyze the chart from daily perspective. So let me remove all these markings which are made on the weekly chart first before we start our discussion. So what we discussed in our weekly chart is market is finding the same thing. You can see here also that around this level it is finding this is 32,100 to 200 level. So here you can see that there is a pullback. So, and if you take these levels and draw a line, so there is a resistance somewhere at this point. So what we had discussed on weekly chart, that it may take resistance somewhere here, it appears to be in sync with this chart also. So weekly, daily time frame we have seen, and you may expect a move till here, and then again you may expect a new low. That is quite possible. So let us now move to 1 hour time frame chart. Let me remove these unnecessary markings. Let us not bother about the levels given here. This is from the last video. So here you can see that these are 2 moving averages. You can see 20 and 50 simple moving averages. So blue being 20 shortened time frame, So you can see that there is a crossover here. From here there is a crossover. So 20 simple moving average has crossed the 50-day moving average from the bottom. So it has remained till this point, till the time it is in Bank Nifty was in the up move. So now what happened? 20 simple moving average crossed the 50 moving average from the top. So it remained, market remained in the downside. And here you can see that there is a crossover. So for certain time you may expect this crossover, 20 moving average is crossing over 50 moving average from the bottom. So this is a positive sign. So here you may expect a positive move. So till which level we may expect that positive move? So for now we are considering 34,400 to 600. 34,400 to 600 on the top side. And if after touching this level bank Nifty reverses, then where can we go? So on the downside, what we have found as supporters, 32,100 to 200. Breach of this level may call for lower lows. So you may see 31,600 or 500. So for now we'll take these as boundaries for the coming week: 34,400 to 600, 32,100 to 200. And let us not forget, on an hourly time frame there is a crossover of 20 period moving average with the 50 period moving average. So we can consider this as a temporary positive move on a shorter time frame, maybe for a day or two. So you know the upper levels as well as the lower levels. So you may plan your trades accordingly. For the exact levels which are possible on each day, we will be posting daily videos. For Monday, you may expect by tomorrow 3:30, 4 o'clock, we may upload that video for exact levels for Monday. So these levels, what we have discussed is for the week, not for a particular day, for the week, for the entire week. So these are going to be the boundaries on higher side and lower side. That is what we have deduced from the data available as well as from the charts. So how you plan your trades, that is the skill. So those who are strategists or sellers, they may look for selling around 34,400 or 600 levels. They may prefer to sell the calls. And those who are buyers, they may look to take positive trades if there is any dip early in the morning, Monday or Tuesday. So they may look to buy calls till 34,400 to 600 level is reached. Once that level is reached, you can either try to sell the calls above that level or try to buy puts ranging from 34,500 and below. So the trading is all about protecting your capital first and then making profits. So it all depends on how less you lose when you are wrong, how much more you win when you are right. So that makes a difference. When you add up everyday performance or every week performance, at the end of the day or month or year, you will see significant gains if you manage your risk very well and keep the position size under your control. And it is better to take small losses than take a big loss. So keep using stop losses when you enter the trade. You should decide where to exit. If your view goes wrong, where to exit. If your view works out, so when to take profits or how to protect part of your profits using trailing stop loss orders. So these are the things one need to master, and whatever the chatter that goes on your mind after taking trade, that you should be able to control. The mind will be, whether you do or you don't do, whether you are awake or whether you are asleep, your mind will do its own thing. So your job is to put it in one direction and control it. If it is taking to some other place, getting back to your reality, that is your job. So take care, trade well, happy weekend, bye bye.